Creative and fun learning. DI wind chimes from nature. Deep within the heart of a magical forest, our young explorers gather to learn the secret art of creating wind chimes from nature's bounty. As they enter the forest, the leaves whisper secrets and the trees sway in welcome. The wise old tree, named Elder, shares with the children the tale of wind chimes and how they bring music to the forest. He explains that every piece, from the wooden base to the shiny beads, carries a unique sound, reminiscent of the symphony of nature itself. With Elder's guidance, the children begin their quest to find the materials needed for their wind chimes. One by one, they explore the forest floor, looking for the perfect pieces of wood and leaves to create their unique masterpieces. As the children gather their materials, they learn about the importance of observing nature and choosing quality materials for their creations. They notice how the colors and shapes of the leaves change as they explore further into the forest, discovering new secrets hidden within. Back at the gathering spot by Elder, the children learn how to string their collected materials together using vines and twine. They work diligently, sharing ideas and offering help to one another, creating a collaborative atmosphere of learning and growth. Once the children have completed their wind chimes, they take turns testing them out, listening closely for the unique tones and melodies that each creation produces. They exchange ideas, sharing their favorite sounds and discussing how they could modify their creations for even more interesting results. With their wind chimes complete, the children take pride in hanging them in the trees throughout the forest. As they listen to the symphony created by their creations, they feel a sense of accomplishment and wonder at what they've made together. As the day turns to evening, the children dance and play beneath their wind chimes, enjoying the music that nature has helped them create. They make new friends and share stories, strengthening the bonds of community within their little group. As night falls and the forest grows quiet, the children gather around a campfire, singing songs and sharing stories from their day. They learn valuable lessons about friendship, cooperation, and creativity, all while having fun in nature's playground. As they drift off to sleep, the wind chimes create a gentle melody, lulling the children into dreams of adventure and discovery. They wake up refreshed, eager to continue their journey through nature's classroom. The next morning, the children wake up to the melodious sounds of their wind chimes and head out on another adventure through the forest. They use what they've learned to create even more wondrous creations, all while deepening their bond with nature and each other. The highlight of the story is the friendship and collaboration that blooms between the children as they work together to create their wind chimes. Through this process, they learn valuable lessons about cooperation, creativity, and the beauty found in nature's symphony.